These are my must-haves for making a cake, and they can all be found on Amazon. This KitchenAid mixer is a must-have for me. Now, if this is too big and intimidating for you, you can actually get a hand mixer. But I'm telling you, if you are gonna be baking more than just once a month, this is your baby. You can find it on Amazon. The link is in my bio. This is a 6-quart KitchenAid stand mixer. So you've mixed your cake batter in your mixer. Now you need some really good cake pans. These are by Fat Daddy-O. I know it's a funny name, but they are amazing cake pans. And on Amazon right now, you can get a set of 2 for under $25. I would suggest the 6, 8, or 9-inch rounds. Those are the ones you're gonna use the most. Now you've got your cake baked in your Fat Daddy-O pans. You're going to have something to put that cake on to decorate it. So these are little cardboard cake boards. They're covered in silver, so they look a little bit nicer. And right now on Amazon, you can get them in a pack of 40 for under $20. These are 10-inch round, but they have a variety of sizes. Once you get your cake on your cake board and it's cooled all the way, you're gonna need a turntable. It makes your life so much easier when you're cake decorating. This is just a small plastic turntable. It's nothing fancy, but I've been using this for years and it has not served me wrong yet. And actually on Amazon for this one, it is actually under $20 as well. And I promise you, you can use it time and time again and wash it when you're done. Now that you've got your cake in place on its turntable, you can go back to your mixer, make your icing, and then use this cake spatula to apply that icing. This is Wilton brand, and right now, if you get on Amazon, you can get this 13-inch cake spatula in a whole cake decorating kit, and it's under $10. That's crazy. And you will use this time and again, and you can put it in your dishwasher. Another great thing to have is a cake scraper. You can also find these just listed under bench scraper, but I do have the links for these and other cake scrapers that I like in my Amazon storefront. This one is just your standard. They come in sets where you can get all these different variety of sizes, and they really, really are great and can also be put in the dishwasher. And last but not least, if you want to add a little color to your cake, get the AmeriColor food coloring. It is fantastic. This happens to be the super red. It is one of the best reds I've ever used. It's the only one I use now. And Christmas is coming up. You're going to need lots of red food coloring. They do come in smaller containers. If you think this is too much, this is 4.5 ounces, but I do have the link to this and the super black that they offer in my Amazon storefront. So now you're ready to decorate your cake.